is the MP Mini Delta, the most affordable professional quality 3D printing solution to bring your ideas to life. It's already in production, so be one of the first to get the product. The MP Mini Delta is a transformative tool that allows anyone to delve into the world of 3D printing. A product that now allows you to create what you need on your own. Designed using knowledge and even parts from our successful line of 3D printers currently on the market, it includes advanced features unheard of below $500. It features a single body design that is ready to print out of the box. No assembly required. Simply load the filament, insert the included SD card, and press a button to start printing. Additionally, you can connect using Wi-Fi to send print files directly to the printer. One of the biggest hurdles for any 3D printer is maintaining a level print surface, which can lead to poor quality prints, adhesion problems, and clogs. The MP Mini Delta addresses all those with auto bed leveling for easy setup and printing. Our design uses an open filament, meaning you can use 1.75mm PLA or ABS filament from any brand. The removable heated build plate improves print quality and reliability with different filaments. And lastly, the all-metal aluminum construction increases durability and reliability while still maintaining its lightness. Whether it's printing a toy, a model, a replacement part, gadgets for your everyday life, or your own creation, this printer can do it all. You'll get professional quality prints at resolutions up to 100 microns. We're coming out with a game-changing product that will make 3D printing available for everyone.
The latest addition to the MakerBot 3D ecosystem, the new MakerBot Replicator desktop 3D printer is 5th generation technology that's setting the standard in reliability, quality, and connectivity. It's our fastest and easiest to use printer yet. It's powered by the intuitive and easy to use MakerBot 3D platform. Software and firmware designed to work seamlessly together. The MakerBot Replicator is cloud and app enabled. That means you can connect to it however you want, phone, a tablet, or your desktop computer. Let's talk about some of the features of the desktop 3D printer. First up, the MakerBot Smart Extruder. It's got a brain, so it can alert you when it needs you to swap out and put in more filament. It sends you a message and allows you to continue making a model, whereas before you would have had to just start all over. Another amazing feature is the 3.5-inch full-color LCD display. The user interface for this display is this knob, and we modeled this knob on high-end stereo systems. You're going to be able to use this display to access your entire model library and choose what you want to make. 100 micron layer resolution means that you can make things that just look amazing and blow people's minds. You also have the freedom to choose between a fast draft or a very high quality, high resolution model. The MakerBot Replicator build volume is 456 cubic inches. One of the things that the onboard camera allows you to do is remote monitoring. That means you can go pour yourself a cup of tea, and while you're doing it, check the status of your 3D model. It also is a very powerful tool for sharing. The machine can snap a picture for you, and that makes it easy for you to share your model on Thingiverse and other social networks. We've upgraded the gantry on this machine into a configuration that's in the shape of the letter H. We've also sprinkled some sugar on the motion control system so that it goes faster and smoother. We've taken the guesswork out of leveling your build platform with the assisted leveling procedure. The machine helps you do the leveling process, which means you get to printing faster, easier, and with less stress than ever before. It's powerful enough for professionals and affordable enough for everyone. We can't wait to see what you'll make.
Monoprice makes 3D printing affordable. Based on the successful MP Select Mini, the V2 improves on a classic 3D printer. It features an all-metal hot-end extruder, preventing filament jams and allowing for a wide range of print materials. A pre-installed build tack mat, an insulated heat bed, improvements to the rigidity and stability of the chassis, active fan cooling for mainboard. The all-metal construction MP Select Mini V2 is ready to print out of the box. It boasts powerful features and is a workhorse that'll help print anything you can imagine.
Hi there, Ben Malouf here to introduce the LulzBot Mini 2 3D printer. Our engineering teams have been hard at work here in Colorado and I'm excited to go over all the upgrades that make the LulzBot Mini 2 our best printing, easiest to use, and most reliable 3D printer ever. Now, if you're already a fan of the LulzBot Mini, you'll be happy to know that everything you love is still here. Legendary LulzBot versatility, reliability, and ease of use, the rugged powder-coated aluminum frame, and of course the carry handle. But while it may look very similar on first glance, there's a ton of new innovation to talk about here, so let's get into the features. The first obvious feature change is the LCD screen. This means the LulzBot Mini 2 is tetherless out of the box with no need to be connected to a computer to operate the machine. Just put your G-code onto the included SD card, pop it in the printer, and select your file from the LCD menu. Next up, let's talk about the re-engineered and innovative belt drive Z-axis. The benefits? First of all, speed, which really makes a difference when starting a new print or making manual axis adjustments. But the big benefit of the belt drive is in print quality. No lead screws, no potential for Z-banding. The next two obvious changes are the tool head and the print bed. The Mini 2's Aero Extruder V2 tool head is powered by a genuine E3D Titan Aero extruder and hot end, and features a powerful part cooling fan with 4-way ducting. This gives you acclaimed E3D hot end quality and extrusion accuracy, and allows you to print both rigid materials and flexibles up to 290 degrees Celsius. The heated bed is capable to 120 degrees Celsius and features a reversible borosilicate glass and PEI print surface, which simplifies maintenance and makes it easy to experiment with different substrates. Another thing you may have noticed is the noise, or lack thereof. Thanks to the Trinamic TMC 2130 stepper drivers on the INC Retro control board, the Mini 2's motors run much quieter than on any printer we've ever built before, which makes it a great addition to classrooms, libraries, and offices. Like all LulzBot 3D printers, the Mini 2 is built here in Loveland, Colorado, and comes with a 1-year warranty and our renowned technical support. Extended warranties are also available. Just ask a LulzBot sales associate for details. We're extremely proud of the LulzBot Mini 2, and we know it'll make a valuable addition to your shop, office, or classroom.
Introducing the Ultimaker S5, the most reliable, versatile, and easy-to-use desktop 3D printer. Engineered for printing prototypes, manufacturing aids, and end-use parts, let's see what makes it the complete, user-friendly 3D printing solution. The Ultimaker S5 features the largest build volume yet in an Ultimaker 3D printer, so you can print bigger models or put more parts on the build plate for maximum efficiency. To ensure repeatable, high-quality prints and an efficient workflow, the Ultimaker S5 is built around seamless integration of hardware, software, and materials configuration. Ultimaker Cura software optimizes your settings for larger prints, while Wi-Fi and Ethernet network capabilities mean you can print from your desk. With Cura Connect on your desktop or via the app, you can monitor prints and manage your 3D printers. Touchscreen navigation on the printer makes setup and maintenance fast and simple. In addition to the glass build plate, the Ultimaker S5 also features an anodized aluminum build plate, which is designed to make printing with engineering materials easier, while also giving a more consistent surface finish to the bottom of your part. With 2 build plates, you can choose the one that fits the material. Before your print starts, the active detailed bed leveling system corrects any offset on the build plate's surface. A sensor scans the plate at multiple points, and the build plate height is adjusted to compensate and give a perfect first layer every time. Closing the doors of the Ultimaker S5 gives you better control of the temperature and airflow. This, in combination with using the right build plate and active bed leveling, ensures good adhesion and reliable 3D printing. Ultimaker's dual extrusion technology gives unparalleled reliability. Printing with 2 materials, you can produce technical parts with cavities and overhangs supported by specialized support materials. Realize your most complex designs in PLA, nylon, or CPE combined with PVA support material that dissolves away in water, enabling complete dimensional freedom in design. And when you need to adjust your printer setup for a different material or nozzle size, material matching print cores and NFC-enabled filament spools ensure quick changes and high uptime. The Ultimaker S5 is a flexible platform for creative designers and engineers. Depending on what properties your prints need, you can choose from a wide range of optimized Ultimaker materials or other filaments thanks to S5's open filament system. Whichever material you select, the intuitive touchscreen interface guides you through the printer setup for easy, first-time right configuration. The Ultimaker S5 comes with Tough PLA, a technical material with toughness similar to ABS, but the simplicity of PLA. Ideal for rapid prototyping with large prints. Tough PLA is compatible with Ultimaker's support materials, including PVA. For the perfect printing results, use our material range with pre-configured profiles in Ultimaker Cura software, which have been extensively tested and optimized by our engineers. Sensors monitor your filament flow during printing. If the material runs out, the printer pauses and notifies you to load new filament before resuming. With the Ultimaker S5, you choose a future-ready 3D printing solution that will grow even richer in functionality and possibilities over time. Regular firmware updates add new and optimized features alongside improvements to Ultimaker Cura and Cura Connect software. The Ultimaker S5 feeder is designed to print with advanced technical plastics such as composite materials. Over time, more materials and print cores become available, opening up even more possibilities and applications. The Ultimaker S5 is the powerful, reliable, and versatile 3D printer that delivers industrial-class results. With Ultimaker's complete integrated solution, professional 3D printing is made even more accessible.